guys, in this video, we're going to talk about calls. Now, you can see here on the daily, we have a fib retracement that we have drawn. Now, we had a nice move in here ever since January. So the beginning of the year, just basically just slow grind all the way up. And it's looking like it's starting to kind of top out, a little consolidation up here. So going forward, it looks like we're going to be in a chop zone. It's going to be right in between the 23.6 fib and that 0 fib level, which is basically more or less your 57.5, 58, and your 64 levels, okay? So what happens if we end up breaking that 58 level, that 57.70, 57.5? Well, we're going to be working our way back down to that 38.2 level, which is right where your 50-day moving average is here. So those are kind of your main levels to watch for support-wise. Resistances, obviously, it's going to be that main 64. Above that, then we're looking for nice whole numbers, 65, 70, etc. And we need some nice strength in here before we get a nice move like that. But again, above 64, then you're looking at those. But until then, definitely 64 is the number to be looking at here on the daily chart. We go to the 4-hour, you can see that all the action recently has been right around this 50-day moving average, okay? So we're looking for any bounces, rejections, anything off this 50-day moving average here on the 4-hour chart. 30-minute, you can see everything's tightening up in here. So that's what we want to see. We want to see Bollinger Bands tighten up, and that's exactly what's happening. And then we're going to see a nice break either up or down. Resistance here, immediate resistance on the 30-minute chart is going to be right around that 59 area, which is basically where that 50-day moving average is here. And we're looking for crossovers in here as well. So if you're playing all three of these time frames, remember that we're looking for crosses, breaches, anything with these two moving averages here that we have, which is the 200 in the yellow line and the 50-day on the purple line. Options chain wise, IV rank is really low, and really the markets are not great in here at all whatsoever. But it's interesting to note that we do have earnings coming up on May 18th. So if we get any more consolidation in here, it looks like we might be working our way up to a little run into earnings. So our IV is still really low. I mean, in the May monthlies, you're looking at 67%. The April monthlies, which is only 2 weeks away, is right around 53.3%. That's right around a $5 expected move, and your May monthlies have around $10 expected move. So again, just kind of keep that in mind. It's going to get a little choppy in here, it seems, but we'll have to wait and see if we can get any strength behind any moves that we get in the immediate future. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to check us out on social media. We have attached links to our socials in the description, and we also have a trading service if you're interested. There's more information in the description below.